Think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in the SRT, but it feel like a Rari. And she calling my phone, I'm blowing up, she say I'm sorry. I think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in that. What's good? So now I am currently doing a round body rough country 6-inch lift. In the process of that, but before we get to that, in this video, I'm gonna be taking a trip to Georgia to go see somebody y'all might know on this YouTube shit. Y'all might know, I don't know. But I'm gonna be selling my lift to him, and we're gonna be hopping on the road first things first. This will be kind of out of order, but fuck it. But yeah, let's hop on the road. Let's go get this lift sold so that way we can get to the round body. Let's get it. So, it's like 5 in the morning and I'm filling up, about to hit the highway because I gotta go to Savannah, Georgia to drop this lift kit off. Got it all sitting in the back, real pretty like. Finna sell this lift kit and wipe my hands and be done with this shit. And the next build should be coming here within the next couple months. I plan on doing some real big shit with a diesel, so stay tuned. So yeah, man, gas is so goddamn expensive, man. Fuck, 6 gallons. $20 used to be almost 10 gallons for this shit. Damn shame. So the lift is gone. And the mystery buyer that everybody been fucking waiting on. Everybody been asking me about this damn lift, but this the one who got it.
I'm about to live.
You got it. New body to another new body. He about to be sitting how I was sitting, so time to move on, but this is what y'all been wanting. All right, so stopped at little Bass Pro Shops real quick while I was in Georgia. Just sold this lift to Misa 1K. I can't wait to see what that truck looks like with that lift kit on it. So yeah, that's who bought the lift kit, man. So feels good to get this shit going, man, and just start over fresh. Now about to hop back on the road. I'll get some road clips once I get further out of Georgia and out of South Carolina, because them goddamn troopers be on some other shit. But yeah, man, about to hit the road, get back, and then I'll show y'all what we got going on with JT's round body. Pull up in a V8 sports car, bad bitch like a porn star. Baby, I ain't average, I'm up top just like a point guard. Turn me to a savage, I was down but now I'm going far. Now I'm living lavish, driving shit, I got a double part. A V8 sports car, bad bitch like a porn star. Baby, I ain't average, I'm up top just like a point guard. So today we got JT's round body. We got a rough country kit going on it right now, and yeah, this should be interesting. We're gonna make it happen for old JT. We're gonna try to see if we can make it work this time. Go follow my mans on fucking Instagram and all that, QC the gang, bitch. But yeah, about to get this thing in the air, go ahead and get the lug nuts and shit loose, get the keys unloaded, and then start taking some shit off. Just about to go ahead and get started, man. So y'all know how this shit go. I'll pick up the camera and abracadabra, a whole bunch of shit will be gone. All right, so we got most of it taken out. Got the diff drop. Went ahead and cut the ear off of it, so that way we can get it all shaved up tomorrow to go back in. Got the control arms and shit here with the knuckle pieces on them. This side the same way. Done got everything cleaned up. How you feel, little nigga?
This bitch about to be tired, huh?
About to get this bitch riding. So hopefully we'll have this shit done tomorrow night, and we shouldn't have no issues with it. Everything else at this point pretty easy, aside from cutting that diff shit, and that's it. So we'll pick back up tomorrow whenever we hop back in the garage. All right, so moving on with the round body build. So right now I'm going ahead and getting these lower control arms ready to go and prepared. Got to drill a hole through them to fit this non-torsion drop bracket. Going to be throwing this all together and trying to get all this finished up. Waiting on JT to pull up so that way he can give me some assistance. I got the template over here, those right there. So I put those on there. I hit the center, and then I put the a little knuckle piece on here and draw around the circle. I'll start drilling. I torque the fuck out of these because I know a lot of people have issues with these bolts coming loose. So I impact the fuck out of them and then I torque them right after so that way they don't come apart. All right, so we got this bitch done. Sitting pretty tall up front. Everything in here tightened up, torque ready to go. Got the gang in this bitch. Shit sitting nice. I'm surprised this bitch. Yeah, that bitch raw. I fuck with it. What you think about it, bro? Got it done in 2 days. That's a fucking record for a round body.
What can I say? It won't that hard to get off, you feel?
PB blessed. And damn, another backyard built creation. Just got the lift done for JT, and this thing's sitting pretty straight. It's 6-inch rough country. I think he already has a 3-inch body lift on it, so that's why it's sitting so high for a rough country. But shit look good. It turned out pretty good, and it was a little easier than I expected because he had a lot of rust and stuff to battle with on the bolts and like a lot of dirt, so we had to fight with that a little bit. But we got it done, and everything kind of went smooth. We didn't have no hiccups or anything, so yeah, man, everything looked clean up under here. Just drove it around a little bit just to see if it'll make any noise or anything, but nothing. Sounds good. So yeah, she looking good, man. Hopefully he can get it set up soon and we can really see how it'll look on some 6s or something like that. That'll be clean as fuck. But yeah, man, I'm tired as fuck. It's been a long day. Long day. And also follow my mans. Get him some little follows, man. Get him right. He finally got right. It took this nigga a year to get a lift put on. But he finally did it. So he gonna be happy as fuck. Cause that shit look clean. I fuck with it. So Gramp popped up with his new.
Shit. Cut the fucking fool.
Everybody. Yeah, he's still alive. Everybody was asking for him to pull up. But he's still alive. He got the Sierra now.
Yeah.
Just put the leveling kit on this bitch. Sitting nice. Got a little bit more to do to it. And then he gonna be basically sitting like Big Red. So we all gonna be in some clean shit. It's done with the big lift shit, man. Big lifts are overrated.
Fuck all that. Fuck that shit. The shit was just running a hole in my pocket for no reason.
It's just a waste of money. But yeah, we're gonna get this cold start real quick. So we're about to get started on this Yukon. I got a 2 levels that I'm about to be stacking. All right, so got this side put on. So like I said, this is a 3-inch up top and a 1.5 on the bottom. He still got stock uppers. It doesn't look like the angle's gonna be too harsh. I mean, it's kind of twisted a little bit, but it's not like OD to where it's gonna break it. So you could probably easily run a 2 and a 3 on there. I just used my last 2, and the only one I have left is on my truck. So I would try to fit that 2 up under here and help him out because he could definitely fit it. But with stock arms, this would be probably the maximum that I would recommend just for safety, because the stock upper control arms, they like to break. So, but yeah, clean truck, man. I ain't even gonna lie. Miss my Tahoe and shit every time I see an SUV, but everything went smooth on this side. I got the bump stop cut out. That's a big component that you need to do. If you're ever stacking anything, I always say it in a lot of videos, you got to cut that little bump stop out just so that way the control arm has some more leeway to go down And as you see, nothing's hitting the spring, so everything's freed up, clear. So I'm curious as to see how it sits. All right, so showing y'all just a little bit of what I got going on. So got the strut out with these 2-wheel drives. This is basically all you got to do to get the strut out of here and get anything access through here. I'm about to go ahead and get this side knocked out and get the alignment straight, and then I can pull this one out. It'll be done. He can come pick that up. All right, so got it done, and about to take her for a little quick test drive so that way I can kind of see how she rides, because he does have a long road trip, so I want to make sure it at least rides straight enough for him to get back home until he can get in alignment. But I got it kind of straight. This is looking pretty good, actually. I like how it came out. Whenever it came here, it was nosediving pretty bad, so right now it's definitely leaning. Taking on a little road trip, then hit him up, tell him come pick it up because it's ready. But other than that, man, finished up with this.